Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 arc welding machines. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Rod Spawn Portable MMA Electric Welder. Specifications. Model number, MMA Electric Welder. Pilot arc current, 280 amperes. Use, welding. Load saving ratio, 60%. Input voltage, 220 volts. Open circuit voltage, 62 volts. Plug type, EU plug. Dimensions, 34 by 27 by 18 centimeters. Origin, China. Product number 4, AMP DC Inverter Arc Welder. Specifications. Brand name, Deco. Modello, MMA 160, MMA 200. Power voltage, AC 1 to 230 volts. Rated input capacity, 5.8 kVA. Efficiency, 85%. Duty cycle, 40% to 60%. Current range, 20 to 160 amperes, 20 to 200 amperes. Usage, welding task. Input voltage, 220 volts to 240 volts. No load voltage, 60 volts. Protection degree, IP21S. Input power, 5.8 kilowatt, 7.8 kilowatt. Power factor, 0.93. Electrode diameter, 1.6 to 3.2 millimeters, 1.6 to 4 millimeters. Product number 3, Hitbox 220V Mini Arc Welder. Specifications. Brand name, Hitbox. Model number, ARC 200 Mini 3. Inverter technology, IGBT. Input voltage, AV 90 to 240 volts. Rated output current, 25.2 amperes. Duty cycle, 60%. Power factor, 0.73. Housing protection grade, IP21. Electrode diameter, 1 to 2.5 millimeters. Product number 2, Deco MMA Series. Specifications. Brand name, Deco. Model number, MMA 200 SE. Rated duty cycle, 40%. Arc current, 10 to 200 amperes. Use, welding task. Input voltage, 1 to 220 volts. Efficiency, 85%. Input power, 4.1 kilowatt. Power factor, 0.93. Current range, 20 to 200 amperes. No load voltage, 60 volts. Electrode diameter, 1.6 to 3.2 millimeters. Dimensions, 32 by 22 by 13 centimeters. Product number 1, ARC Welding Machine. Specifications. Brand name, Arc Captain. Arc current, 20 to 200 amp. Use, Arc Welding Machine. Input voltage, 110V to 220 volts. Current range, 20 to 200 amperes. Origin, China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.